All right. So good luck, guys. It's just 15 seconds left. Follow joined or there. I hope we will be having fun. So let's come back to the normal window. All right. Good luck, everyone. Oh, I got Ayush. Oh no. So this is going to be the round. Okay, 3 rounds only. All right. It's a 3+2, which is my favorite. Oh, he's going for the this line, Catalan line, and I just goes to the close Catalan because this is kind of a stuff which is making powerless to this bishop. And what I can do, this I cannot capture for the moment. Let's go with this. I'll just wait for him to capture back. What did he do over there? I'll just go with this. And let me see if I go here, bishop may coming in, and then I need to go like this way or something. But let's see. If I go with the bishop, actually, pawn may get pushed. Let's see. These are the most likely chances of coming in. Oh, he just sacrificed his pawn. Can I just take it? Yeah. Okay, what I can do? What should be my next plan, guys? Tell me. Can I just go here and go for this trade? Maybe I can. Let's go. Let's plan it. So if he pushes, I'll just capture it. Oh, he goes for it. He goes for it. Shall I exchange or wait for? Let me think. So guys, Ayush is 2000 rating player and I was not able to beat him for a single time also. That is something, a very difficult task over there. I was not sure if I can just go and grab over there and perhaps just go with this. Or maybe with the pawn, captures. I can go with that way. But where is my bishop? How he will get developed? Let's come back. I'll just maybe go with this. He has to push the pawn now. There is no way to. He has sacrificed another pawn. I don't understand what he's doing right now. So I was planning for this, or he's getting some tempo. That's fine. I may go with some other ideas now. You know what? Now it's capture. I'll go with this. Okay, he's going for so much of aggressiveness actually. Maybe I can go this way to connect the rooks. Okay, I'm very low on time right now. I just wanted to connect the rooks and I just don't wanna keep this, how I can actually go with this. No, no, that won't work. That will be simply blunder of pawn. Oh, I'm very low on time, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh, he got some tactics. Now it's falling in. Oh, I missed it. I should have given up that pawn. So yeah, this one was losing now. I had to wait. So here, I should have just come back this way. Not a good idea of this one. Because I cannot go here actually. This is the move. If I go here, he will capture this with the check. That is also losing. Hey Arna, what's up? If you wanna join the tournament on, good to see you back. If you wanna join the tournament, you can join it. But the first round has already over. You can join for second and third round. So if you wanna join, it is on chess.com anyway. So if you want, you can join. Good to see you back. All that. So yeah, I just made a blunder over here, in the end, because it was nothing I can do, because there is no way to stop, or how can I go, or maybe this is the move. He will capture, I will capture, the check coming in, fork coming in, I had to go here and I had to give up the piece. So yeah, this was the thing, but again he will capture, he cannot capture, he will just go back. Or maybe just pick this. I can come here maybe. But yeah, that may be the losing position. So I should have not allowed this one actually. But yeah, okay. Yes, from here the game actually started slipping. This one was falling. This one was not falling in actually. But I did something which caused the issue. I should have go this way, cannot come. So this one was the move, I guess. If I go and do the analysis, let me find, and where is the analysis? Why I can't do the analysis? Okay, let me just go to the. Oh, this is something. Okay, no, I don't want to go with that way. Why it is asking me for a live? Okay, let me see who all are playing over there. Okay, 2 games going on right now. So let's see the Barova's game. Who is winning? White is winning. White is completely winning. Wow. Cannot go with the 2 ways. Yeah, just push. Nothing you can do. Push. Yeah, it's winning. Yeah, if it's 1 queen also, it's fine. You can easily win it. Let me just check other game. The other game which was going on with. Oh, he just Prashant won, I guess. Yeah. So the only 1 game remaining of this. This also completed. So okay, we will get a match soon. Yeah, we got it. So we got another higher rating player who is a 1700 rating player. Good luck, Suman. Good luck. What happened to him? He is. Why he's not playing? If he's not playing, the game will get abort. Something went wrong with his internet. Hey Shraka, yo man, what's up? Oh yeah, let me just give you the shout out. So yeah, the tournament is going on, and unfortunately, I lost first round. That to the against the 2000 rating player. So the Ayush, who is from Rajasthan, he's a good supporter of my channel and my club. So yeah, yesterday he was angry on me because there was no tournament. So I said him, yeah, no, today I'll be organizing the tournament. Seems to be some issue happen with the Suman's internet. I think so, because he is not playing, or he is giving me some chance of odd and even, maybe that can be the possible stuff. But right now seems to be there is an internet issue. I see it's already there. Let's see, or he is testing something with the timings. We never know. So yeah. No, I wasn't angry. Ayush, yesterday means, I also feel bad because yesterday I had planned a stream with the Parul actually for a 4PC. So that's the thing, I could not organize the tournament yesterday. But yeah, today I did organized, even though there was a Ganesh Visarjan. So yeah, as I told, he was messing up something. So I'm having some advantage now with the timing. But Ayush, you did played well. I did have some opportunities over there, but I feel go this way, coming it, and I'll just go here. One may get pushed further, but I can go with this. What should I do here? Let's come back. Let's make it complicated over here little. So currently Burrow is not in his form, so I'll just go this way. It's coming. Let's see. He did castle. Go with it. Let's try to make it some fast way. Okay. What are you planning? I don't get the plan actually here. I'll just kick you off. Or you're planning to sack? Welcome, Shraka. No worries. Yeah, let's develop. I guess I should have given this. And now I am winning a pawn, or what? Am I winning a pawn? I can go this way actually. But let's try to save this first. A push, that's okay. I'm jumping in here. He has to put like this way. Oh, someone has recently. Okay, let me see who has followed. Thank you so much, Samuel, for follow. What happened to my notification? I was not getting a notification over there. This is aggressiveness. Hey, hello, what's up? Can I go this way? Let's come back and let's give this check. Maybe I could do that way as well. So let's just castle, bring the knight over here. How's going on? I could have asked you for joining over there, but it's already late. It's second round going on. Otherwise I would have asked you to join. But yeah, you can join my club. you're not joined, and thank you so much for the follow. Let me, maybe I should exchange the bishop. Let's exchange it. I'm going to flag him. It is a Blitz tournament. Actually, there is second round going on. It's a Swiss tournament. So now it's difficult. Oh, you are good then. You are better than me then. I'll just save my king first. He's playing so fast now. Good. Welcome to the club. Then I would say you are a better player. I'm planning for club matches actually. So maybe I'll plan it soon. Okay, I got an opportunity to. Okay, he's planning to give me check actually. Okay, let him give me the check, no problem. It's not going to happen. I can make the flag over there actually. Okay, I'll just come here and then. That's okay for me. Shall I go for a draw? Let me just try to find some ways. Oh, I cannot pick that actually. My knight is hanging. Oh my god, I need to be little careful with this. Oh no! I was winning. What I did? Oh no, come on. So this is second timeout or something. Yeah, no. Don't give me suggestion while playing actually. It's unfair to them. But yeah, I did miss, I am very low on time. Whenever I play with that, it's something, causing me a lot. Yeah, I'll accept it. It's a Grunfeld. I'll accept it. Oh, he went to some different line then. Let's go with this. And I'll just develop. Maybe. Where can I put this? Let's go with this way. Actually, I thought of this move or maybe this move. Yeah. This is temporarily pawn sacrifice. Yeah. The tournament was already started and it's round 3. So I'll just go with the exchange. No problem with this. Maybe you can join next tournament. Definitely. Just I'll just castle. Yeah, I could have pushed the pawn actually. Hmm. Let's go with some ideas maybe. So yeah, you can join it once the maybe I'll try to arrange it on next Saturday as well. This time I will try to organize it. Yeah, for sure. I was planning for this actually. I should have come here, then this. This one was winning, I guess so. If I go here, there are no ways to go back. But if I go here, I can go back. I'll just try to do this way. And let's go this way or something. Or maybe I could have pushed the pawn further, but it is single time defended, so not sure. So Samuel, you are from I'm not sure if you are from India, because your name is not looks like India. Can jump in go this way or something, then I'm not getting ideas here, guys. This is the last round, and maybe bishop can coming in actually. Let's go with the pawn push then. Maybe I'm planning to keep like this way. Let's see. So Samuel, just to tell you, I did started YouTube earlier, and then I started streaming here later on. Okay, I'm okay with the trades. Yeah, I'm okay with the trades, and I'll just play this. If you push capture, fine for me. Even though capturing is also fine for me. I have certain ideas now. Let's see. Go with the pawn push. Perhaps this check was possible. And I'm losing the pawn. But yeah, he missed it. He missed it. Okay. I guess you missed that. Yeah, you're planning for this now. That's fine. Oh, I forgot he's having bishop actually. Okay, I am having also low on time over here, so let's see if I could. Let's try to bring the king there near. If captures fine. If captures fine. What I can do is let me just bring king near. If you come here, that's fine for me. Let's see. I guess Shubham, you are watching the stream, but yeah, no problem for me. It's kind of fun. We are enjoying the yeah. See. Actually, there are certain other plans now. I can go with it. what you are going to do with that? I don't know. Oh, disco check. Okay. Now seems to be I'm losing a piece or what? I guess so. I'm losing a piece over here. So let's give up the piece. I am having certain pawns over there. I'll just go with it. Maybe this check is possible actually. Oh, I missed that. Okay.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you feel alone,
Let's see. I'm low on time also. Let's see.
if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me.
I'm very bad at end game. Oh yeah.
Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
Okay, he just. Okay, let's go.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you feel alone,
Okay, I did blundered something, which is surely not a good idea of that actually.
you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to
Oh, I guess what I need to do is
find me tonight.
that is what I need to do. Okay, finally I'm going to win the one game. I hope so. Oh, okay, let me see. Okay, I got it. Now the thing is, I need to come here. Go here. Let him go anywhere. It's a mid. Oh, finally! At least I won one game. That's okay. So the tournament has over, guys. Let me just see. Okay, I also got a third rank. Wow, because of one game winning over there. So I have really enjoyed the game. And Ayush, if you're there, do you wanna analyze the game? I'm not sure if you're there. I guess you're there. So maybe I'll try to analyze the games quickly. Let me find it. Oh, we have two people join today. Oh, we did have a message from Mari. Okay, let me switch the layout. Shavit, rather disappointing again. Lots of missed chances from me. Yeah, good game, good game. Shavit, maybe I am going to analyze the game, so don't worry. So let's quickly analyze the game and let's see how that is going on. So where are the tournaments? So Ayush, do you want to join the Discord? If you want to join the Discord, I guess I need to update the link. I'll just quickly update the link, and if you want to join the Discord, you can join the Discord and we can discuss together with the what has coming in your mind and what has mistakes done. So, let me just update the Discord link. It's getting expired in every 2 days actually, so I just updated it. Let me just Discord. So yeah, Ayush, you can join here, and in the Discord server, if you are not joined, here you will find one voice channel, Streamer Connect. From there you can connect. Otherwise, I am going to anyway. I'm going to going for dinner. Okay, no worries, no worries. So let's quickly do the analysis. Let me see. The game was very interesting, and we are having winners on third place. So I'll just go with the round one. The game was very interesting, which we played. I'll go with our game quickly. So that was something, indeed I made a blunders. I was something, with a lot of pawns up. So let's see. I guess this window is correct, right? You guys can see the window. Okay, I think so. I need little adjustment there. Samuel, thank you so much for the follow. This is something, I am not getting notification also. Let me, what is wrong with the notification? Or I just need to update it again. I'll do that. Alert box, yeah, alert box is there actually. Pawns for activity. Yeah, I did understand that actually. If you see, you're having 94% accuracy. I just need little adjustment with this, but maybe I can go with this layout only then. So let's try to understand. I do understand, you have sacrificed the pawns for activity, but I was having a better position. I was having a better position over there. Okay. My voice is clear, right? I see some notification in OBS. Everything is clear, right? Because I'm using something different to see if that is working on PC. Because I need to shift my setup maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to other room. So okay, let's see. So here I thought of some different ideas. Oh, I should have go with this way. Wow, this is also a fantastic move. Oh no, I did miss that, but I will remember it. Oh no, where we are. I will remember that those things then. Everything is fine, and yeah, here I guess you went for a queen trade, and I thought for a minute, and then I decided to give up the queen. And this was again, if you see, it's 3+ for me. I can't believe it. Actually, it's a 3+. So I'm getting one call right now. Leave it for now. So then yeah, you played this move. This is very nice move of defending it. I was thinking how to break through. So maybe yeah, this one was a quite bad move. I guess I should have go with this way, followed by some ideas like this, because you are not getting anything. Yeah, although my bishop is not developed, but I'm having 2 pawns up over there right now. So that is something good. So Yeah, I guess I should have go with that way, but I decided go with this. And yeah, here I was thinking what to do. Yeah, this one could be the good move, which I missed actually. If you captures is fine, but yeah, you will be back in a game. So that is the thing. And here I was just thinking again the king. So yeah, I should have come this way. I did missed it actually. And then let's see. And he found this tactic. I have to take your rook, otherwise I'll be losing exchange. And here probably, yeah, this one could be the good option. Kick you off. You have to go something like that, or come like this way. So maybe this is something counter attack I should have go, but I went to the passive way, and here I made a blunder actually. This was a blunder, and then everything was falling in here because I didn't miss that, you know. Yeah, probably I should have sacrificed my piece for that, and yeah, you were winning that, no doubt in that. So this could be the possible way, but I did missed it, and then yeah, the fork was coming in and everything was falling in then. So GG, well played, well played. I must admit that you played really well, and I will definitely try to beat you. At least one game I should definitely beat you. So let's go back and find the other two games. So against Burvo also I was winning actually. So let's check out. Let's check out this. Okay. Pass is having almost 93% accuracy. Okay, that is cool. He did two blunders and one blunder and two mistakes. Okay, let's quickly check out why he's going to Scandinavian. I don't understand. This is Scandinavian, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is the Scandinavian position where, yeah, this is the book move, and yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, here you cannot capture, that will be blunder because the mate threat is coming in. You have to sacrifice this. How you will defend it? So maybe you have to come this way, or what? Let me see what is the move here. Knight to b5. What? Okay, knight to b5 is the move. Okay, queen will attack you then definitely. Where the queen? What is the best move? d5. Yeah. And now this is attacked by pawn. This is attacked by this one. What is the best move here? Knight to g5. What kind of suggestions these are? Okay, this is defended anyway. Prashant almost checkmated it. Oh, is it? Let me find that. You know, Ayush, when I started my channel, you know, then I met to Prashant, and we are become now very good friends, almost a best friends, because you know we both are we are having a love to the chess and everything is, you know, something like that. And we did lot of streams together on YouTube earlier. So he came back to the location where he was used to do earlier. He was at home, but yeah, now definitely I will bring him on to the channel. Maybe I could have asked for now, but you know, this is the time for him for a dinner, or let me see if he can join. Yeah, you know, he's having kind of a 1500 rating something. He's playing chess from 2012. Okay, when he was there in the engineering, from there he was playing he's playing chess. So he's maybe, you know, sometimes when it's again depend on the moods, you know. So I'll just go to that game also. No, you should have captured the other rook, I guess so. What? Okay, what is the move here then? It's kind of equal position only. Knight to d4 was a move. That's blocking kind of stuff. What if captures, everything is okay. It's winning for white only. So yeah, then I guess he went for aggressiveness, and you were about to get things out over there. Yeah, this is kind of a very nice position, and you were exchanging the queen. That is something good idea. And then you were just doing the stuff, and I guess you should have go with this also, you know, that is also fine. And then maybe pawn push, capture, then yeah, kind of a plan you can go with it. Yeah, let's see. Here also I guess he missed, he should have go this way. And you can just block this. What? Piece blunder? Or he is going for a draw or what? And then he just captured it. Yeah, it was winning then. Yeah, it was a winning. So let's go. Let me close this. Not needed. This also. Let's go back and let me see this game quickly. I guess Prashant played with against you on in second round, so I'll just catch that. I guess I need to change the title or something, or what? Title. Okay, just updated it. Alright, so let's go. Fine. Shubham, why I see you are having 1600 rating, but you are not playing in that way. What's wrong actually? If you are there, okay, I just need to come on this window, because I see you are having 1600 rating. How much games you played? Oh, you have played almost 3000 plus games. But this is kind of I guess, you know, it's not justifying the ratings or your play, maybe, you know. Let's see. Oh, Ivan's Gambit, wow. Okay, let me see if Prashant has fallen into it. Yeah, you did played well. Prashant did played well, because this is the move. Otherwise you will get soon checkmated. It's kind of a very dirty position with this, you know. Oh, so many ups and downs. Okay, what is going on? You did captured. You sacrificed the rook. I don't understand. To win the pawn. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, what happened here? Good 5-7. Black one on time. Oh. Yeah, bad thing happens. Same for me. But yeah, here lot of possibilities. You have sacrificed the rook for some activity, I believe, and you own 1 or 2 pawns only over there. That's also a good idea. But if you see, material wise, it's kind of a bad position for you, and it's a losing actually. You know, this check coming in and it's a mate. So maybe okay, yeah, black one over here with the resignation or time. Yeah, the time. All right, let's go to the round two. I don't want to waste much time. The analysis. The round two quickly. So yeah, as you mentioned, Ayush, let me find this. This game looks like a very interesting, as you said. So let's try to catch this. Let's see. Okay, the game has started with the Sicilian opening, and I know you are a big fan of Sicilian. Guys, I'm trying to understand the positions with the opening, but I'm very bad with the Sicilian. Oh, you played the Taimano variation. Wow. Okay. Night drop is coming. No, this is not a good position actually. Should have captured this. You should have captured this. Not a good position at all. And this is a kind of a bad position now. You're kind of going in a passive way. This may coming in, you calm down. This may coming in, you need to push calm and go like that. It's not a good idea to defend this pawn. Yeah, perhaps this one was a good option. And if queen coming in with the check, maybe you can put another, and you will be having a good pawn chain over there. Maybe this could be the move. Yeah, engine is also suggesting this move. Then maybe this check can come, or maybe what engine is suggesting. Engine is suggesting to go rook to b8. That is the move suggested. Wow. I need to understand. Sicilian having a lot of different variations actually. So I'll definitely try to I'll just definitely try to understand the positions. What happened to the names actually? But okay, I need to adjust overlay a little better. I'll just try to adjust it today if I get time. I'm very kind of busy going on right now with other stuff in my life, so I'm not getting time to update the overlay. So this is not a good position. This is kind of simply capture. So yeah, this kind of a possibility over there. Let's see. He did sacrifice a piece over there. Wow. Okay. But what you are going to achieve with it? You can go for draw. That could be the possible. Yeah, this is kind of a blunder. Yeah, this is a kind of a blunder actually. With the higher rating player, the most thing is important is you can go with the draw. You cannot do anything. It's a draw. Nothing can happen. It's a draw. But okay, he went to some different line. Let's see. This is kind of a bad position because this rook coming in, and where you will go. Yeah. What is the move suggested by engine? Yeah, queen to h5 is the only move with the disco attack, and maybe queen to e8 is the good option with the queen trades, and yeah, then it's kind of fall, and this happened in the game. Okay, you declined. That's okay. Yeah, if you go somewhere else to capture, this is going to get, or let's see what has happened. Kind of a disco possible, but you will not going to win anything with that. Oh, this was a blunder. This was a blunder. This was a big blunder. This was a big blunder, and everything is falling in now. Okay. So yeah, maybe what I suggested to Prashant is that would be the good option with whenever we are getting a higher rating player, and if we get a chance to even draw, that is a good option, because there was a possibility. If you see, let me go to the position. This was the position where Ayush cannot do anything, and the best move suggested is to go with the long castle, bring the rook like this, and in case You know, sometimes it happens when, you know, we try to attack the queen back. If you go this, this is a this is a mate coming in, okay? So yeah, Ayush will not play that line. So maybe let's try to bring those lines. Let's see where. Yeah, maybe just castle, and what engine is suggesting here. Bishop a6 is the move to stop. You know, this is the only move to stop it. And yeah, it may go on. It may go on. So yeah, let's move on to the next game. This was very interesting game, Ayush. I definitely see. Prashant has missed a chance over there. Many possibilities were there. So GG, well played. Let me find the Burrow and my game. So this game was also, I was winning, so I just blundered, not blundered, I just lost on time. I see 3 blunders showing over there. Let me see what report is showing. Report is kind of important report, so yeah, let's see. Let me just bring something over here. 1 minute, guys. This is something, you know. Right now my setup is not ready, so I just need to adjust here, you know. So yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, I guess now I'm very close to my camera. That's fine. Maybe this is center. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I don't know what was the idea in his mind. He was not going for it, and I just planned something, you know. Hey, you have to capture back here. I'll just capture back here then, or maybe I'll just come back. Yeah, but here I just went to simplify the things. He played a good move, and I thought decided to go back. And yeah, this is a kind of a good move. I was planning for this, you know. He may push like this, and then I need to come this way. This one is something possible. So I just castled over here. I was just trying to simplify the things, and here he didn't capture. I did capture because I wanna simplify the things. I just made h6 to just, you know, in case of any back rank mate, to save that, and then just capture. And this was a blunder. Let me find. Yeah, I did found it. Queen takes b4. That's correct. Knight takes d7. That's correct. I did. Oh, I did own 3 pawns over here, and yeah, this is kind of not a bad position at all. Oh, this was a blunder. Okay, I found this check coming in actually. King goes to h2. What is the move suggested by engine? Going to f2. Yeah, you have to defend your bishop somewhere. Oh. Queen to d1. Then I'll, oh, lot of things are there now. I'm going to win this also. You may pin in, then I'll just go with this. I'm having lot of pawns. I was planning to, you know, exchange the queen somehow, but I didn't found that, and I just lost on time. Okay, I was just simplifying the stuff. Oh, oh no. Yes, indeed, I missed this. This one was the check coming in, and I'm winning this. If you go with this way, I'll just capture. You can capture this, but I'll just come here. And I'm having lot of pawns over there. So yeah, I did miss. Let me know if the stream is lagging. I see stream is lagging, I guess. Yeah, sometimes it lags, maybe with the, you know, this PC I need to update, so I'll just do that, you know, in a couple of days once I started something different with it. Okay, let me just go to the round 3 quickly. I'll not waste much time. I'll just quickly analyze the game of Ayush. And open to the alert box. Let me see. Something is wrong with. Oh, why this one was not on or there? Okay, and now it will work. Okay, let's quickly go with the report. Okay. Give me a sec, guys. Second. Okay, let's see. You went for a Queen's Gambit. The QGD on the board. Catalan structure, I believe. Yeah, Catalan structure. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of a good. Yeah, sometimes I'm getting very difficult decision over there, which pawn to take and which will help. You know, go with this, I capture with this and attack on this, and on so on. Yeah, this is kind of a ruined pawn structure. You lost a pawn over there. Wow, what a kind of a ruined pawn structure this is. Lost another pawn, but yeah, you're winning a bishop back. That is something good. And let's see. You did found a good moves over there. This is defended. This is defended. Maybe. Oh, this is not a good idea actually. What? This is a blunder. Yeah. There was a pin over there. And then yeah, you're just going to grab the pieces and maybe you can just yeah, this one was possible actually. Why didn't you go for it? I don't know. Maybe lot of checks were coming in. Yeah, this was instantly winning. You have only this move and it's a mate. But yeah, sometimes we never find it when we are playing. I agree with you. This is possible, you know. And then it's winning. It's winning then. It's winning. So yeah, you did played well, Ayush. Let me just go to my game and maybe we can close this analysis then. Because there was lot of ups and downs. I did understand that, you know, my bishop was getting trapped with the Shubham, but I said let it be. And I sacrificed the piece over there, you know. Yeah, I used to forgot that, you know, there was a mate. It was an instant mate, but you missed it actually. But that's okay. It is, you know, I definitely agree with you that, you know, it is kind of possible that, you know, whenever we play, we never get it, and once the game has over, we will find it. So yeah, it is a part of life. So, and here I went with my opening, which I found. And he converted to Grunfeld actually. This is a Grunfeld line, you know. I'll just push and then he will capture me. This is a Grunfeld line, you know. And the thing is, the bishop coming in, this pawn sacrifice over there. A lot of activities are there in Grunfeld. And this game was like a marathon, 75 moves game. Wow. Okay, let's quickly see. And here I knew that you were coming for this, and I was just okay with it. Maybe yeah, this one was not a good move at all. I was thinking what to play and all as queens are off the board, but I played this, and then I decided to give the pieces back over there. And yeah, this knight is now octopus knight. So I always wanted to mention that, you know, when your knight is covering 8 square, means your knight is on 6th rank, it is having a bishop, rook value, you know. So this knight is known as octopus knight, and I always wanted to mention it whenever I get a chance. So I learned it from Sagar sir. So yeah, I did. I wanted to mention always this. So yeah, and then everything is like, I thought of this, you know, Shubh is going to capture this, but I guess he didn't go for it. And I found the opportunity here. He may go for this actually, but yeah, oh sorry, I missed it. There is my rook. So he has to go back, and I just pushed it. Now the thing is, there is no activity for this bishop. And then I was just trying to, you know, double up the rooks over here in this pile. Maybe if I get some checks or something, you know, then it's kind of a winning for me. So that is what I was doing, and then it's like, you know, just go, and I'm just, you know, bringing my king towards to keep the support. And I know that, you know, it's kind of a piece drop over there. Maybe I should have, you know, go for this earlier, but yeah. And here maybe yeah, I won this, and I understood that, you know, he's going for disco attack. Okay, this is the move to bring it, and maybe I can bring another rook over here. Whoa, I missed this. I didn't found this move actually. I thought of this only disco coming in, so I have just, you know, brought my rook to the g4. But maybe this is the good option. Now you can go back actually, and I'll just exchange. Everything will be fine then, you know, for me. So, but okay, that has not happened. And he played this. Oh, ampersand was possible. Oh, why I can't play that? See Ayush, this is the thing. When you are playing, you will not find the moves. So in the game, I have just sacrificed my piece for you know, two pawns over there. And here also I was losing a pawn. Maybe he could go for the check first, but he did missed it. And then capture. It's kind of like, you know, then he given me some opportunity, you know. I was just bringing my king over there, and now it's kind of a problem. And I found the move, and it is winning for me then. And it's kind of, I should have gone for this, you know, maybe simplifying the thing so that, you know, later on I can just push king. If king coming in, I'll go there. King cannot go here, so he has to come here this way. That's kind of possibilities, but you know, I made a blunder also here. I have given opportunity to capture him back the pieces. Then I said, okay, if you wanna capture. He captured all things. Then I said, okay, let's push, and then it's like, you know, I need to just take any of the pawn. I was just trying to give the check, and then I have given another check, and I just need to come back here. So I just came back. I just brought my king in. Now he can push it actually. He did it. Then I just come over there. I was just trying to understand the, you know, the king rook movement. I'm very bad at any game, so I'm just trying to understand that, and I guess I have played all correct moves here. And then I got into it. Then it's nothing. It's like just capture and just bring the king somewhere in the corner. So I was able to do that. Although it took me some moves. I can show you. You know, here I was kind of going for a draw. Then I said no, I guess I'm doing something wrong. Then I was just trying to bring the king up, rook up, and then it's like just rook up, and then let it be. And then I just brought another over here. Now the thing is, it's kind of now the king has only 2 squares. I'll just come this way, and it's mate. So cool. So guys, we have winners. So Ayush is the winner of tournament. So congratulations to Ayush. Let me just show you from here. Yeah. So definitely it was a very fun for me, and I have enjoyed a lot with the tournament. So okay.